Have you ever thought about starting your own company in India? It's a thrilling prospect, isn't it? The thought of your business ideas coming to life, the excitement of building something from scratch, the promise of making an impact, and the potential of financial success. But where do you start? How do you navigate through the maze of requirements and regulations? Fear not, because today we're going to break down the process into easy-to-follow steps. First, you need to have a clear business idea. What problem does your business solve? Who are your target customers? How will you make money? Having a well-thought-out business plan is the cornerstone of your entrepreneurial journey. Second, do your market research. Understand your competitors, your customers, and the market trends. It's crucial to validate your business idea before you invest time and money into it. Third, choose the right business structure. In India, you can register your company as a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability partnership, private limited company, or a public limited company. Each of these structures has its own pros and cons, so it's important to choose the one that suits your business needs the most. Fourth, register your company. This involves multiple steps, including obtaining a director identification number, applying for a name approval, filing necessary documents with the registrar of companies, and receiving a certificate of incorporation. Remember, each step has its own set of requirements and fees. Next, open a bank account for your company. This is important to keep your personal and business finances separate. After that, apply for necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your business type, you might need specific licenses to operate. Then, register for taxes. In India, you need to register for goods and services tax, profession tax, and income tax. Finally, hire your team. Having the right people on board can make or break your business. It might seem like a lot, but remember, every successful company started somewhere. They navigated through the same process, faced similar challenges, and emerged victorious. To summarize, starting a company in India involves a clear business idea, thorough market research, choosing the right business structure, registering the company, opening a bank account, applying for licenses and permits, registering for taxes, and hiring a team. It's a journey filled with challenges, but also immense possibilities. So go ahead, take the plunge and start your entrepreneurial journey in India. You never know, your business idea might be the next big thing.